Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting exactly what you want to recolor. Choose rows, columns, cell borders, or a chart series. Once selected, go straight to the Home tab for cell borders or the Format tab when a chart series is active. Make sure to use Shift or Control to add to your selection. This avoids recoloring the wrong items. If you aim to change multiple separated lines, group your selections first, then proceed to the color controls. This saves time and keeps formatting consistent. Once done selecting, open the relevant color control. Borders drop down for cell outlines, fill color for cell backgrounds, or format shape outline for chart lines. You can pick theme colors or more colors to enter an RGB or hex value when precise matching matters. Make sure to set line weight and style where available. Thicker lines may improve visibility. If changing multiple elements, use Format Painter to copy the style, or apply a cell style for repeatable, consistent formatting across the workbook. To finish, review your changes in normal and print preview views. Colors can render differently when printed. If something looks off, undo immediately with Ctrl+Z and reapply a corrected color or weight. Make sure conditional formatting rules, worksheet protection, or theme overrides are not forcing a different appearance. If needed, clear conditional rules or disable protection temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip: if your color doesn't apply, check that the object is unlocked and not part of a chart template or locked cell range.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.